These are Oriental hybrid lilies, and they are mixed in with daylilies. Today we are going to be planting Oriental hybrid lilies in my garden. And they are known for their massive, fragrant blooms with striking colors. Here's some that we're going to plant right here that I ordered, and they're packed in these wood shavings, as you can see. So just going to cut these bags open and dump them out in here and mix them up, because there's two different assortments in here. And we should plant these bulbs in early spring to late autumn before the ground freezes, and they'll thrive in full sun to partial shade. Ideally, they want their heads in the sun and feet in the shade. And I've got low-growing perennials around mine. Keeps the ground shaded. Plus, I have a nice ground cover of leaves and things. And leaves and grass are some of the best things to put in your flower bed. And this is critical. They require well-draining, acidic soil. And if your soil is heavy, the bulbs will rot. And here I am measuring on my shovel 12 inches because there's some utilities buried here, and they're going to be buried below 12 inches unless there's been some erosion of the soil or something. And here is a bulb, and you want the pointy ends up and the roots down. You can see the roots there, and I'm going to measure the bulb, and I usually put my bulbs around 8 inches, but usually want them 3 times or 2.5 times the depth of the bulb. And so I know right about where 8 inches is on my shovel, and so I just kind of bury them to that level. It's just kind of nice to watch with tape measure before you get started. So just push the shovel in, push it forward, and grab your bulbs and put the pointy end up there and the roots down. And you can put just one in a hole or 2 or 3. I tend to put 2 or 3 in, and then hold on to them with your hand. Hold the shovel straight up and out, and then take the dirt and pull it back over it. And all these leaves that you see in here are great for the soil. So push the shovel in, and then forward, and then put them in there, right side up. This layer of leaves, if you don't have a nice layer of leaves like this, you can use bark or straw or anything to regulate soil temperature. And they can get quite tall, but I don't really worry about that. And they seem to do a lot better here. You see hostas right there shade the ground really nice. And I like a nice natural garden, so I don't worry too much about stakes and things like that. And you can fertilize if you want, but with this much organic matter in the soil, you don't need to fertilize that much. And when they're done blooming, clip off the flower heads where they were, and don't cut off the foliage until they're all done blooming, all done. The foliage will dry up and brown in the autumn. Then you can cut them down. So just put your shovel in, push it forward, and then put the pointy end up and the roots down, and put in 2 or 3 in there. Make your hole. For lilies, I think 8 inches is perfect. And then hold on to them, pull the soil back over them. now. There's the roots down and the pointy ends up. Then when you get all done, give them a nice drink of water. This right here is in early spring, which is probably the absolute best time. You notice here I'm planting them in a little field of bishop's weed or gout weed, which is really a nasty ground cover that you wouldn't want to put it in a lot of flower beds. But this here is a really wild flower bed with a lot of hostas and daylilies and other things like that. I've also got vinca minor in this flower bed, but so for this bed it's okay, and lilies are just fine to cope with all that stuff, and that keeps the ground nice and covered for them, the soil cool. And I do water and fertilize my garden throughout the summer sometimes, and just pull the soil back over it. When you have a ground that's always covered with old plants like this, it's a lot easier to plant things this way rather than digging a hole. It's just push your shovel in, push it forward, and then put your bulbs in. And that's better than digging a hole up and putting the dirt beside it and then pushing it back in. At least it is for me. So there it is. Just push them in, hold on to them, and then push the dirt back over. Here the dirt stays where it is, so I can take the shovel out ahead of time. And if the dirt doesn't fall back in the hole, you can take your shovel out ahead, and maybe that might be easier. Push the shovel in, push it forward, and put your bulbs in, right side up, and then pull the dirt back in around them. And that's how I'm planting lily bulbs today. And I've just about got them done. But if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. And so thanks a lot for watching, and I will talk to you next time, and goodbye. Oh, here's some lilies right there that are about halfway grown. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.